Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all well. Today's video is going to be about the top 5 of the best juicers available in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. Best overall, Nutribullet NBJ50300. This is a slow juicer that takes a quiet approach to squeezing deep nutrition out of fruits and vegetables, allowing you to make refreshing and healthy juice every day. It is made from durable plastic with a stainless steel tipped auger and a stainless steel sieve, and featuring a high torque, low speed motor, it can quietly spin at 65 RPM to crush and squeeze the deep nutrition out of your fruits and veggies, while its 3-inch feed chute cuts down on prep. In addition to these, it also adds a 24-ounce juicer container, a pulp container, a screen cleaning brush, and a user and recipe guide. Finally, for the cleaning, its all parts except the pusher and auger are dishwasher safe, while the wipe motor base can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Best budget, Hamilton Beach. Next, if you're on a budget, this juicer will fit your needs without breaking your bank. It is designed to make quick work of fruits and vegetables with little prep time. Its powerful 800-watt motor can make fresh, delicious juice in seconds. Its included stainless steel micro mesh cutter can turn a dense beet into a smooth juice in seconds, while its latches will lock the juicer lid securely in place. It features a big mouthfeed chute, 3 inches wide to fit a whole apple, a peeled orange, or a handful of kale. This will gradually reduce your pre-cutting and more continuous juicing. And adding an extra large pulp bin means you don't have to stop the process to empty out the pulp every now and then. For cleaning, its food pusher, juicer cover, stainless steel strainer, pulp bin, and strainer bowl are all removable, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. Best slow juicer, Aeitto. This is the best slow juicer you can get on the market. Its 3.2-inch large feed chute can easily do larger pieces of fruits and vegetables, and lets you use the smaller feed chute for strip-shaped ingredients, greatly reducing the preparation and cleanup time. Featuring a 900 milliliter juicer cup means that whether you prepare juice for yourself or your family, its cup and pulp container can meet your daily demand no matter what. Another notable feature is its reverse function that offers 2-direction switch. Forward for the juicer's normal running, while its reverse option will spin the opposite direction to release ingredients to prevent clogging. It also has a double safety system including a special valve, which will prevent the fruit from popping out when you are masticating juice, and its smart lock system where you cannot turn the machine on until you lock the lid on the right place. Best Centrifugal, Breville BJE430SIL. This high-performance juicer with an innovative cold extraction system can provide supersized 70 fluid ounces of juice goodness. Its 850-watt motor can process even the toughest fruits and vegetables. Featuring a cold spin technology and an Italian-made precision mesh filter means it will allow you to avoid damage to vitamins and minerals from heat and processing. It has a 3-inch extra-wide chute feed that can juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. When it comes to its controls, you will get a high speed for denser fruit and harder vegetables, and a low speed option for leafy vegetables and soft fruit. Other highlighting features of this juicer is its included juice nozzles, and its LED display that illuminates if the motor has stopped due to overloading, a preventative feature to ensure safe use and ensure motor longevity. Best for beginners, Breville 3X Bluicer. Lastly is this blender and juicer in one. Its versatility will allow you to blend juice, or combine your fresh juice with blended mixes to enjoy all the nutrients and create more vibrant and healthier creations. It features a Kinetex contoured blade and bowl system. Coming with a cold spin technology means you can extract fresh juice straight into high-capacity 50-ounce blender jugs and create fresh, delicious slushies, smoothies, cocktails, and much more. It uses a 3.5-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. For controls, it offers 4 one-touch programs and 5-speed settings for an enhanced experience. Another worth mentioning feature of this juicer is the design itself. With the pulp bin located behind the product base, this 3x Bluicer features a new and unique space-saving design for better use of your countertop space. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.